Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Dividend Waterfall channel. Well, uh, I'm currently going to receive my first dividend payment today. So, in M1 Finance, if you go to Activity, you'll see under my pending activities, there's going to be a deposit on dividends. So, when you click on that, you'll see that it's a 30 cent dividend. You go in here to dividends, click it, it's showing that AmeriGas Partners is paying it. It's only 30 cents, but it's money I didn't have before, and over years of investing, they add up. And I do love receiving dividends. I always have. It's just basically getting share of the profit of owning the company. It's one of the benefits of owning stocks. Okay, so for the week, I'm actually a little bit down. I'm down 0.36%, $2.19. Total, I'm up $8.95 and 1.99%. If you look at my gains, I've captured $1.23 in dividends. Obviously, all of that hasn't been paid yet, but it's what I've qualified. And even if I sold the stock today, I would still receive that $1.23, which I do not intend on selling. I like to buy and hold stock and that pay dividends and just collect the money for the rest of my life. The way I look at it is I buy a company and they're going to pay me forever. As long as they're a good dividend paying stock. Obviously, you gotta watch on who you invest with. Some companies do cut their dividends, so you want to look for a track record of companies that always increase their dividends and that have been paying them for a very long time. In my blue chips, my biggest gainer was Grainer. Let's see. Yeah, they're up 10.72%. I only have a 1.3% of them of the portfolio, so it's not a huge gain, up 57 cents, but it's still a gain. And let's see. If we go to the monthly dividends, my biggest gain was LTC Properties. They're a REIT, a healthcare REIT, and they invest in medical facilities like for the property, and they're up 6.25%. I've actually had LTC properties for a few years now, and the past year or so they've been down in my other portfolios, but I still like them. They pay a monthly dividend, and they've been increasing their dividend. I still like Main Capital better. That's probably one of my favorite BDCs, but I only have a real small position here because I have a lot larger position in my other portfolios. In my high dividends, I'm actually down with these ones. I took a 8% loss in Iron Mountain and a 7% in Southern Company. I'm not really worried about it. The Mercury General, they're up 8.4%. That's an insurance company. They've been paying a dividend for many, many, many years. The cool thing about putting the $25 in a day is it's really dollar cost averaging all my prices. So even if something did fall 8%, I'm not really taking that much of a beating because I've only been putting in $25 at a time. So my prices are pretty consistent with the market. Now, you're not going to get as many gains if you got in when it was cheaper and it rose, but your losses are also minimized. And for my aerospace, my best performer is Boeing. That's up 8.63%. So, whoops. That's what I've got so far. It's only been a little over 2 weeks. I mean, hey, as long as I keep getting, as long as these companies pay dividends and they increase their dividends, I'm happy. So, I mean, I got an extra $8.95 that I didn't have before, and It's really not even much money that I'm putting in. I will be increasing the money I put in to match it. So I had put, as if I put $25 in since the beginning of the year, but I'm kind of using my money for other investments at the moment, so I'll slowly be integrating money into it. But other than that, if you if you enjoyed watching it, subscribe and just keep following to see how this thing does. All right, guys, thanks.